The next thing I'm gonna do is to make crispy chicken wonton. The ingredient is ground chicken, fresh. You better use a boneless, skinless chicken breast because there's no fat and no skin. This is chicken breast, ground it, and celery, onion, white pepper, granulated garlic, sugar, and salt. And this is the package of wonton wrap. I'm gonna put celery in a food processor. It's easy for you to do. Otherwise, you have to chop it. You can use this instead. Now I'm gonna chop my onion the same way. Next thing, I'm gonna add half teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of sugar, a little bit of white pepper, a little bit of granulated ground garlic, and mix it up. You can use a microwave to taste a little bit of these. Just take it about half a teaspoon and put in microwave for 10 seconds and taste it how you like it. Now, after we mixed it up, it's gonna come like this. And then I put about 1 teaspoon on the wonton wrap. Put some water to make it stick like a glue in 2 corners, 2 sides, and fold it. Close it, and then squeeze this, go together, and then put a little bit of water again. It come out like this. Now I have my ingredient, everything ready, mixed together. It's gonna come like this, and I put a little bit of the filling at the center. Put water, a little bit of water, 2 sides to make like a glue, and fold it together to make it stick together like a triangle. And then I'll put 2 sides together, put a little bit of water again, and make it the shape like this. You don't need to put a lot of filling because it's hard to cook. Okay, after I heat the oil until it's hot, I'm gonna put the finished wonton wrapped and put in the oil. I fry the wonton in vegetable oil until it's golden brown.